Hi guys, in today's video I have this Sony Ericsson phone, which is an U10i. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape, but this phone is supposed to be working, but it doesn't have a battery. So what I did, I bought a second-hand battery, and let's see if it works. It vibrated and it should turn on, and it does. Okay, so as you can see, the touchscreen is quite bad. Okay, so it says insert SIM. Okay, I will test it some more off camera and show you guys the result. Alright, so after some testing, the phone is working, but it has a broken touchscreen. So what I was thinking was buying this one second hand. Found it dirt cheap. It doesn't have a battery, it doesn't have a back cover, and the frame is broken here. The white piece, that should be like so. It's broken. And I don't know if this one works, so let's test it. Also, it is in much better shape. A little bit dirty, but comparing one to another, as you can see, the keyboard is significantly better and it's also working. So I tested this a little bit off camera and I know for sure that the touchscreen is working. So I'm gonna power this one off also, and I will start by disassembling the black one because it's already broken. Alright, so now that the first phone is disassembled, it's time for me to disassemble the second one. But this one I'm not gonna film because it's exactly the same process. So I will show you after I disassemble, then clean all of the parts in order to assemble the phone back. Alright, now that everything is clean, it's time to reassemble. So I have already put some double-sided adhesive tape here to replace the old one. Alright, and I also have some double-sided adhesive tape on the display as well. Okay, now before assembling it completely, let's see if it still works. It vibrated, and now let's see if we have anything on the display. And yes, we have. This is a good thing. Yeah, now to power it down. And take out the battery. And now let's put this front face. Alright, so the repair is complete. As you can see, the phone is functional. And to show you that the touchscreen is working, you have to slide it and you can select whatever you want. Let's see the camera. Looking decent. So here is what I have replaced. This is the old keyboard and this is the old display and touchscreen assembly. And also here is the remaining of the phone I used for parts. I will assemble this with the old display and old keyboard because they are still working, and I'm gonna keep it for parts. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time. Don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe if you like this content.